So this is the guidance. You can find anything here in here. Here you just click the template you want. So there are a lot of templates. You just click the month you want and then copy it to the end, move it to the end, and after copying it you rename it to the month you are creating the template for, and then hide that template again so you don't mistakenly edit it or change anything. But you can change it if you want to, like you can change the colors. So after clicking that link you'll be taken to this website and you change the settings. The settings are in the guidance. You can find which settings to use in the guidance here. So first we get the Hanafi timetables and copy Asar time only. So here you just choose the month you want and then download it. You copy the timetables and then paste it in Excel. So here we copy and yeah, paste it there. So what we need from this timetable is just like to get the Hanafi prayer timetables, prayer times. Sorry. We copy the times, the praying times, and then paste it like on the Asar Hanafi. Yeah. And then like we look at the days, and then here it starts from Friday, but then the month starts from Saturday, so we need to delete Friday. But first we have to unmatch the cells, unmatch them, and then delete Friday, so it starts from Saturday. And we just rename everything here, the month, the date, the year, and the Islamic months as well. So here we see like it ends at 31st Monday, so we need to delete from Tuesday downwards. So first we need to unmatch the cells and then delete from Tuesday downwards, and then now we just match all the cells back. So we match them all. So we now change the settings to Hanbali, Shafi'i and Maliki, and then download the May timetable. So these are the normal times we use for the for Azan and Iqama. It's just Asar time that is Hanafi. So we paste it there and then change the color to black because some of the cells doesn't show up. So we copy the sunrise time and paste it there. We paste values only so the colors doesn't change. And then copy the Asar Zuhur time. So for the Asar time, like the first Ikama time we use the normal Hanafi, and then for the second Ikama time we use the the first Ikama time is Hanbali, and then the second Ikama time is Hanafi. That's for Asar. And you just look at at the time which one is the highest, so you set your time to that. The Ikama time should be 5 minutes after that. So like there is 5:14, so the Ikama time is 5:19, and the Azan time is 5:18, the Ikama time is 5:23. So you don't want to make the mistake of like setting Ikama time before azan. So like be careful with that. And for Zuhur time, we usually just set all the times the same for Zuhur, because Zuhur time doesn't change by much. So we set all the time to 1:15, and Juma is always 1:05. And for Fajr time, same, you just check which one is highest. In that case, it's 3:42, so we set it to 3:47. And for the last cells, we just don't change it for Asr and Isha until I check the April one. Sorry, May, until I check the June one. Yeah, so you check the June one and see when the when Azan is, and then 5 minutes after Azan is Iqama. So for Isha, it start, for Asr is 5:22. So for Asr is 5:22, and then you set it to 5:27, and just check. Okay, that one increased by like 5, so the other one should increase by 5 as well. So here you just check everything is fine, like just a checklist. Yeah. So that's it. Like now you just save it as a PDF. You select from the bottom, that's how I do it, and then save it as a PDF. And then like when you want to send it for printing, if you want to print hard copies, the email sample is on the guidance as well. You just copy that and then send it to Appleseed. When they have done printing, they will email you back saying it's ready to collect. So here you just save it as PDF and select selected cells only. So you save it, you rename it to whatever you want. Usually I rename it to the month we are in, and then save it to the ISO folder that I have. And that's it. We just check if it's fine now. Yeah, it looks fine. So you just send it to others, and like to the president and the other prayer room officer, to just see that, to make sure everything is fine. And that's it.